we've got a story that looks complicated. There's a lot of information. But before I read any part of this question, I'm going to those answer choices and I'm looking at what's different, because that might tell me what to care about as I read the story. And I see that 2 of the choices have 26B and another 2 have 26G. So in a very, very dumb way, I only need to think, does the B or the G go with the 26? So let's see, I see a 26 right here. What does that mean? Outfits for boys cost 26. Well, it's probably the case that the B stands for boy, but let's keep reading, right? A dance teacher ordered outfits for students for a dance recital. Outfits for boys cost $26 and outfits for girls cost $35. The dance teacher ordered a total of 28 outfits and spent $881. If B represents the number of outfits the dance teacher ordered for boys, and G represents the number of outfits the dance teacher ordered for girls, which of the following systems of equation we solve to find B and G? Like, it's literally that the B goes to 26. So already I know it's not A and C and D. And then I'm just thinking, what else is different? Right, so the other difference here is, I'm going to focus on the bottom equation. Does B plus G equal 81, or does B plus G equal 28? Now, this is a very common setup in the SAT. This system of equations where we kind of have equations look like this. You've probably seen questions like this. We need to think about what the B and the G mean. The B and the G are the number of outfits. Right, so if the number of boy outfits plus the number of girl outfits, what is that? Is that 881? No, probably not, because 881 is a dollar amount, right? So the 881 is going to match with the things that have dollar amounts in them, right? We said $26 per boy outfit, whatever. So it's the 28 outfits. That's the total of both boy and girl. So it's got to be choice B here. We need to have B plus G equal 28. We'll have situations where we need to make up these equations ourselves. For now, I'm not going to worry about how to do that, but these are what I call quantity and value equations, because we have 2 equations. One tells us the quantity, the number of, in this case, outfits, and then the other tells us the value of those outfits. How much do they cost? So we're always going to kind of have a similar setup when the story involves those things. And hopefully when we need to make them ourselves, we can kind of create stuff that looks like this. But don't do more work than you need here, guys. Let the choices tell you what to care about. Sometimes it's as simple as this, where like match the variable to the rate, and you already have doubled your odds of getting it right. Don't overwork these things. Just look at the choices.